I'm so excited to show you one of our newest listing, a true masterpiece, a super special property. So are you ready? Wait for it. Let's go.
Get ready for it.
I'm saying the best for the first, and the best part of this modern home is this ocean view balcony. You are the master and commander of this world here. Just look out, and what do you see? Ocean views, but this is not just an ocean view. This is freaking panoramic ocean views from Catalina Island, Palos Verdes to Santa Monica and Malibu.
Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it.
What has more luxury than ocean views from your kitchen looking out to the Pacific? Now this is 801 Ocean Drive, Hermosa Hills. I love yoga, and this is my Zen garden.
No playing with forever. It's now or it's never. It's down to the wire. Who gonna take the empire? It's down to the wire.
Even in this cool man cave, the ladies have fun too.
Get ready for it. Get ready for it.
Best roof deck I've seen in Hermosa Hills. And by the way, this coolness has 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and 4,400 square feet. This is amazing. It's gonna go in a heartbeat, and hopefully it goes to you.